This is the emergency broadcast system. Attention required. At 0217 a.m., containment protocols failed. Multiple sectors are compromised. Warning, entities confirmed as not human. If you can hear this message, you are already inside the affected zone. Shelter is no longer safe. Secure all doors. Seal every window. Cover reflective surfaces. Do not look into mirrors. Do not trust the light. Do not answer the knocking. They know your name. They know your voice. They know your location. They have always known. Movement detected in every major city. Do not attempt evacuation. Roads are no longer under human control. Do not contact authorities. No help is coming. If you are outside, stop immediately. Stay low. Do not look up. Do not speak. Do not run. They will notice movement. They will hear a sound. They will follow. Transmission stability is failing. The signal will repeat until termination. If broadcast cuts, maintain silence. Do not leave your shelter. Do not follow voices, even if familiar. If you survive until sunrise, you are not alone. Others remain. Some are human, some are not. Trust no one. Survive until light.